name is George Strombolis, and I'm the CEO of IDEOLI.
My name is Chris Hartwig, and I'm the Chief Product Officer of IDEOLI.
IDEOLI's co-founders have established a strong manufacturing footprint in key markets around the world, allowing for a targeted approach when producing and creating custom products.
China is strategic to IDEOLI's business model because China is the manufacturing center to the world. IDEOLI has offices and an assembly factory in Shanghai with a strong network of subcontractors.
When it comes to manufacturing, two of the biggest concerns are the quality of the product and making sure you can deliver the product on time.
Chris has been embedded in Asian manufacturing for nearly a decade, establishing strong relationships with key people, setting up dozens of factories, and overseeing the efficient production for hundreds of thousands of products.
IDEOLI has an experienced team here in Shanghai. This allows us full control over everything from incoming component inspection to final quality control.
IDEOLI's revolutionary approach to custom manufacturing has decreased the overall production turnaround time from start to finish.
We pride ourselves on how quickly we can take a new product idea, generate physical samples, get customer approval, and move into full production, all in a matter of weeks.